That's right, everybody. We're making s'mores cookies, everybody. It's a recipe that everybody can try. We got all the ingredients here.
And I'm saying that because we got very giant marshmallows.
Okay, first, you're going to put, we right now in our bowl, we have 3 cups of flour in our bowl. We're going to add to our dry ingredients, we're going to add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. There's salt right there, put the salt in.
Why is there salt?
3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Right there, baking soda.
Okay. I want to know, I would have to smell it.
A half teaspoon of baking powder.
Baking powder? Okay.
And 1 teaspoon of cornstarch.
Cornstarch?
And a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon.
This?
Yes, cinnamon. And then you want to whisk it all together. Start whisking. Whisk it up. Okay, make sure you get it all in there. Don't leave the cinnamon out. Cinnamon's over there. Make sure you get the cinnamon there. There you go. Get it all in there. Okay.
Already smells super good.
Okay,
I wish y'all could smell through that. It smells like cinnamon bread.
Okay, so right now, that's
One
all
day
in there.
Make cinnamon
So now
bread.
we're going to add in all the wet ingredients. First, starting off with 1.5 cups of brown sugar. We're going to use this because we need to mix it. Okay, dump them in there.
That was just like a loaf.
1.5 cups of brown sugar. Dark brown sugar, matter of fact. Then you want to add 1/2 cup of white sugar.
Wow.
And you need 2 eggs. You need to add 2 eggs. Throw the eggs in there. You want to get a 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
Make a volcano.
2 tablespoons of regular milk.
Volcano.
And then you want to add in 1 stick of butter.
Oh, volcano.
Alright, then we're going to get to mixing this up, and when we come back, we'll show you what steps to take next. He's going to mix it. He's going to start mixing. So when you get done mixing, why are you chopping mix? Okay, we're back. We got it nice and stirred up. That's how it looks. And make sure we
Make
get
a little hole. I want to dump it into a little
thing. But
hole.
next, you add 2 cups of chocolate chips. Okay, dump them in there. All right, a lot of chocolate chips. I should take them okay.
Right, son. I think that might actually be too much now.
It might be a little extra. I want to go with maybe 1 cup.
Yeah, because refill it to right here.
I mean, it's mixing pretty good, so it should work.
Yeah.
So
And we got a lot on
chips
the
mixing this. It's looking pretty good, even though
it
seemed like a lot at first, but now
it looks like peanut butter with and
looks a lot better now.
It looks like a
You
million.
want to continue mixing.
It looks like
It's
a
better if
million.
you have a stand mixer because it'll mix it easier. But we doing it, the old-fashioned way.
The hard working way. The hard working way.
When we get it done, we're going to show
Gotta
you.
be strong
We're going to put it together before we put it in the oven.
See those
You want
abs?
to put it in the oven on 350, so you want to preheat your oven 350 and put it in there for 13 minutes.
13 minutes.
So when we come back, we're going to get the baking sheet out and we're going to prepare the cookies. We'll see you in a minute. The next step, before you put it in the oven, you want to make a s'more out of it. You want to have a bigger pan than I have. My pan is little. I'll give you one. You ain't got to go all over there. You got to, our pan is kind of small, so we might be able to get only 2 of them on there. But you want to make, because you want to spread them apart.
Hey.
So you want to make the s'more. Put a piece of chocolate on there.
I think we could make maybe
it might be,
no.
Alright, so what you want to do is when you get done putting the s'more together, you want to take some of the cookie dough.
With your hands.
Use the scooper. We're going to use our hand.
Yeah.
You want to take it off here. Where you going? Where
I'll
you
take it
going?
off here.
Yeah, and then mold it around the cookie. Mold it around it like that. Put it on there.
Just cover it.
Yeah. You don't want to get
Cover it like
You want to get too much in here. You want to cover it with the cookie dough.
sticky. Kind of
Like this.
sticky.
It's kind of sticky, but you want it. Oh, shoot, mine's falling off this side.
Same.
You want to make sure you get it in there.
Same.
I got mine up, man. Mine's looking good, man.
Okay, yeah, same.
You put the cookies.
This, I think I might need some more for the edge.
Okay, yeah, you need some more. Don't smush it too much. If you want to just put it around. Alright, so you got it pretty much where it's going to be. Probably only going to get about 3 cookies out of the recipe, but
It's showing. No. It can't be showing.
mine is pretty much
Oh.
good.
Mine is horrible. Mine is going horrible, guys. Ah!
Here, we need some more cookies though.
I
Quit
need-
smushing it. Just roll it. Just kind of lay it on top of it. And then you
Okay.
can actually get it to lay, without.
And then it just
smushing it
melts
There
down.
you go. Yeah, it'll cook down on its own. It'll cook on its own. So when it cooks, it'll get flatter.
Put this on top.
Okay.
Well,
So we got our 2 done, guys. They looking pretty healthy right here.
and my
And
hands
then probably have
look
to
like
wash your
I.
hands, but we're gonna put them in the oven, let them cook, and then we'll come back and we'll see you guys here in a few minutes. Okay, we are back. This is the end product. Looks pretty huge there, and we're gonna let Cairo do his normal taste test. He's breaking it apart.
And
He's going to try it. Let's see what he thinks. Okay, what you got? I mean, you gotta give us a result. What you got? So it's definitely thumbs up. We use jumbo marshmallows, but I figured we can use some smaller ones. But what you gotta say now?
awesome.
Like.
And subscribe.
All right, everybody. Thank you for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.